her a name, you know. Her name just pop up in my head. Me I call her Mother Elreza. Like, you know, Mother Teresa. She a Mother Elreza. Because she is there enabling her young daughter them to catch man and make money and go out and this and that.
Countryman tell them for watch them speed, them a road ya full up a bus said. Any violation, smarty must dead. Blood stain when a play anyway we touch red. Loyalty teacher, you know for trust friend. When them say them have your back, you know for trust them. When them come feed your food, better you fuss them. Tell them no play with the thing out the road. Run them down with a big belly, bigger food.
Remember, Mr. E. Remember him and Coca Boy them did some things. And some go down, him dead, Coca Boy dead. And really and truly, from that case there, Coca Boy shouldn't even involve in a certain thing. Me know say him parents them have to talk to him and him mother and him father and him people them. But he was heavily influenced by nefarious people who was around him. But Coca Boy was a decent young fella. Just the wrong company. Cause I'm quite sure the parents them try with him. Now, with that said, I know to see Mr. E's picture and wondering what is going on. Well, according to my famous journalist by HTC, she always used the word underbelly. And there is a big underbelly of underage men, underage girl having sex with grown men in St. Lucia. And in this video, I am gonna highlight them can be no more older than about 14 or 15. And pretty much, you know, me I leave it to the imagination. Let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
A pussy under fire go and cool it. Tell me vibe to party good. Rap, feel up pum, me have it tough. Cocky up in a your little chun. My cocky up in the beast, vom. I'ma suck off your breast for real, my girl take the steam.
When you hear the music I play, where the music I say, and that's Mr. E's daughter now. And you hear the music where the youth sing, and she a wind up to it. Alright, who not hear it? Me I play it again. Me couldn't hear it.
A pussy under fire go and cool it. Tell me vibe to party good. Rap, feel up pum, me have it tough. Cocky up in a your little chun. My cocky up in the beast, vom. I'ma suck off your breast for real, my girl take the steam. A pussy under fire go and cool it. Tell me vibe to party good. Rap, feel up pum, me have it tough. Cocky up in a your little chun. My cocky up in the beast, vom. I'ma suck off your breast for real, my girl take the steam.
When you hear the lyrics, no. Can I have my little 14-year-old daughter and she is dancing up to these kind of songs and I go party out at night, late night out with man and a fuck? No, that is not right. And you know, people talk about the government, but really and truly the onus is on the parents. No, in that song, me hear zoom, cocky up in a pum, suck off your breast, and a bunch of other language. Now, to me I picture it even sound like the man we are sing the song I want little boy to blood clot, and we know say him can't angle a big woman. He must sing the song like him in a movie to Bumbo Clad. But that is not the point. The point is, is the shameful parents them that is out there, and from what I hear, selling them daughter, you know. Enough of the parents them are sell them daughter through poverty. Now, look on the picture there. That's Mr. Yale's wife, or him dead and gone, so she's a widower. But them two little girls there, when they see her wind up and think on the TikTok and talk about this and man, and it's them. And my intel tell me, you know, that this lady right here, when it comes to parenting, she has totally dropped the ball. So what I am going to do from time and time again, I am going to start highlighting some of the bad parents who has dropped the ball on their kids, whether it's man or woman. Now you have a lot of man, them not take care of them kids. Them are going to hear from Countryman. But you also have a lot of women like this one right here, who practically sending the girls them out to go catch man to bring money. Now, when it comes to this lady, my intel told me that since Mr. E is gone, it's been really terrible with these girls, because there's no family member stepping up to put these girls in order. And it's a big shame and disgrace, and everybody is talking about it. Now, with that said, somebody had told me a long time ago there is a hot spot in Caspi's, and the police need to check it out, because now look at the picture right there. That's a place in St. Lucia called Boise Patat, and in that area you have, from what I was told, you know, and listen, I am not making this up, you have 8 and 10-year-old girls sleeping with big grown men inside that little hole, you know, that area, Boise Patat. And that was very alarming to me. I don't know if the St. Lucia police have a special vice squad to pick up the hook of them and the John them. But this don't need a vice squad, it need a special squad to look into the adult men them who is sleeping with these little girls. Like I said, in Boise Patat, I heard from my intel that you have 8 and anywhere from 8 to 10-year-old girls asleep with adult men, and then over in that area you have some of them living with men, even 14-year-old girls in Boise Patat, you know, playing husband and wife. Now me, as a big man, what would I be doing living with a 14-year-old little girl? And that is what's going on. So, Lord Jesus Christ Almighty, may I beg the St. Lucia police to start looking into these kind of criminal acts. Pretty much it's statutory rape, and statutory rape is going on in St. Lucia by the hundreds. And another thing I beg the police them for the Lord Jesus Christ. These parents that selling their kids, and it's mostly women, cause the man them now do that. What the man them do, them run and left the picnic them, and we are going to talk about that also. But the mothers, like this one here, cause I'm going to give her a name, you know. A name just pop up in my head. May I call her Mother El Reza. Like, you know, Mother Teresa, she a Mother El Reza, because she here enabling her young daughter them to catch man and make money and go out and this and that. Last but not least, like me say, I'm begging the police them to really look into this. And like me say, I give you guys a hint. Go down in Boise, Patat, or Patatat, how you pronounce it, in that neighborhood. And start from there so, and do a carpet bomb sweep and check out all of the man them who are asleep with them young girl. Listen, more information coming, and I do have an update on the boy them killing a Marsha, the one in the yellow shirt. I'm used to run with Baboon King, so me have an update on that. Listen, my name is Countryman, yo.